this video discussed about national income. What is national income? National income is the total amount of goods and services produced within the nation during the given period, say 1 year. It is the total factor of income and it includes wages, interest, rent, profit received by factors of production. Definition. So according to National Income Committee of India defines, national income estimates measure the value of commodities and services turned out during a given period counted within 1 year. So Garner Ackley defines national income is a sum of wages, salary, commissions, bonus and other forms of income and net income from rentals and royalties, interest and profit. There are various concepts of national income. First one is GNP, that means gross national product. So GNP measures the monetary value or total value of all finished goods and services produced by a country in a financial year. So it expressed as Y is equal to C plus I plus G plus X plus Z. So where C refers consumption expenditure, I refers investment, G is a government expenditure, X is net exports and Z is net income. So there are two methods, GNP at market price, GNP at factor cost. So what is GNP at market price? It means gross value of final goods and services are produced in a country plus net income from abroad. And the GNP at a factor cost is the sum of money value of income produced and acquiring various factors of production in a country. It also includes taxes. It refers GNP at factor cost is equal to GNP at market prices plus subsidies minus indirect taxes. And the next one is gross domestic product, the GDP. It refers final value the goods and services produced within the geographical boundaries of a country during a specific period. It is a part of aggregate or total product of a country and abroad people who invested in the industries enterprises of the country. It refers GDP is equal to GNP plus net factor income from abroad. The next one is net national product. So it includes the value of total output of consumption goods and investment goods. So NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation. It means NNP in an economy is the GNP after deducting the loss of due to depreciation. And the NNP is also the market value of a nation's goods and services minus depreciation. So NNP is equal to MVFG plus MEFS minus depreciation, where MVFG refers market value of finished goods and MEFS refers market value of finished services. Next one is personal income. So personal income is the total income received by the individual of a country from 1 year and it includes various sources like salaries, wages, investment, rent, pension plan, etc. So personal income refers national income minus undistributed corporate profit minus personal tax, profit taxes minus social security contribution plus transfer payments plus interest on public debt. In other words, personal income differs from private income in that it is less than the latter because it excludes undistributed corporate profits. Next one is disposable income. So disposable income means the actual income which can be spent on consumption by individuals and families. In order to obtain disposable income, taxes like income taxes, property taxes are deducted from disposable income. So disposable income is equal to personal income minus personal taxes. So in other words, disposable income is divided into consumption expenditure and savings. So disposable income is equal to consumption plus savings. And the next one is per capita income. The average income of a people in a country in a particular year is called per capita income. So per capita income can be calculated national income divided by total population. So next one is domestic income. So domestic income are also known as earned income. It includes wages, salaries, rents, interest, dividends, direct taxes, etc. It can be shown as domestic income is equal to national income minus net national earned from abroad. And the next one is real income. It is the income earning of individuals or the nations after adjusting to the extent of inflation. It is computed by dividing the nominal income by price level. Thank you.